there is a crack. So yeah, not good. This guy alone is like 70 bucks used. So I'm trying to put, you know, money into this project where it's gonna be more valuable, and I guess I did a mistake. Nope, I don't guess. I did a mistake. That would be the right answer. So that was cracked. I guess it was good. Maybe it was not, because, well, I kind of did piping, you know, off camera and stuff. And yeah, I kind of got the piping going. And as I'm going, I'm saying the intercooler it's done. It's, you know, basically piped. This is the 90 that goes right here to the intake manifold right there, down, boom, and then that guy right there comes down to this guy right here, which is so good. I still need to figure out my I don't know how you call that pipe with the filter, because I would like to get a custom filter, and I would like to get 3-inch out and about somewhere in the front of the vehicle where we can suck some cold air for sure. That's what I'm shooting for, that's what I'm hoping. So we will see. Right now I kind of got a route, but once again without bumpers and stuff, I'm just guessing. And then headlights as well, and then the entire front thing right there that needs to be put in, and yeah, I'm kind of there, so close. I can smell it. Can you smell it? And maybe take it for a spin. When I'm taking a spin, I'm just take it out from the garage and flip it around, put it back in, because I need to lift up the back, get the rear bumper out, see what's going on with that grass in the back, because I want to remove all that grass, because yeah. So all of this here is going to be a mess again. I'm looking so much forward to that. This sounds like a dirty job, but a fun job too. So for the new stuff, some of the lights I guess got burned up when I got hit, so I got some new lights. These two right here are cash cans with breathers, so you can do a breather or without a breather, so whatever you guys prefer basically. But I think I'm gonna need a breather. I guess it really depends, but these are, you know, cheap, 20 bucks Amazon. Still, I hope they'll do a good job because they have a bunch of reviews. I don't know, I was looking at the expensive ones, and oh my gosh, those are expensive. Yeah, two of these guys, that will be like 400 bucks. So we're gonna do two for 40 bucks, and then we're gonna go from there, see if we need to upgrade. But yeah, I'm doing two because that's what I saw on YouTube. I believe the video was from Donut Media. Shout out to them, because I have no idea what I'm doing, obviously. I mean, you know what I mean. Of my understanding is we need to do a catch can on this guy right here, because he's breathing oil, obviously. Here, a catch can right here. I need to figure out the location again, and then another catch can from this guy right here down. So from here we need to reroute it out, and then right underneath the intake, the flap thing, there is, from, you know, basically this hole right here goes into it. So I need to basically break this. When this thing is releasing air or whatever, then it's gonna go through the catch can, so we're gonna catch all the oil. Here obviously we have plenty space, seems like it. Right now when we start buttoned up everything, I mean, I'm trying to eliminate the filter here. Once again, we will see, because I have no idea what I'm doing, obviously. So that's that. I have a new bracket. Hopefully this thing's gonna work, because this one has the washer thing, and mine doesn't have that washer thing. So I hope it will fit. If it doesn't fit, you guys are more than welcome to beat me up, because yeah, these brackets here, this is unreal. I believe the original one from the E92 or E93, it was like double price. I'm talking about like 70 bucks, 80 bucks, 100 bucks, something like that. Like, it was outrageous. This brand new, and talking about that, I'm talking about used one. This one brand new from China, 30 bucks. Go figure. So I think you guys kind of got the plan, how fun is to do a project like that, and hopefully we can make some money out of it. We'll see. I still haven't done the board. I know. Call me lazy. I know. Let's do it. Okay guys, so I think I forgot to say that brand new one is 150. You guys ready? Don't blink because you guys are gonna miss it. And see that, guys? That's the magic. Oh, and at the same time, my trusty helper is here. Nikki. Babu. Babu?
Yeah.
Seems like you're a Picasso. Are you Picasso? Yeah, he played here a little bit. So he did some drawings and everything. So yeah, now he wants to help me with something else. Nikki, you wanna help Dada fix the car? Beep 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 beep. Come on, you can do it. There you go. Good job. If Mama sees you, she'll be very happy. Well, I hope you guys are being patient because yeah, I needed to include that. We got that little radiator disconnect right there. We got this guy right there disconnected, ready to connect. This guy is gonna go right there. This guy is gonna connect right there. These two guys gonna connect to the radiator. This guy's gonna connect to the radiator. This guy radiator. So yeah, everything seems to be good. Coming on this side for the radiator, we have connection number 1. Yes, it's gonna be a tight one, right between these two guys. Connection number 2, another tight one. Then this guy, this guy, this guy. I know it's gonna be super tight. Then this guy here is already connected. I don't even want to talk about this. Yeah, it's ridiculous. Then this is going to the car. So good. You have the strap there. This strap is there. Everything here is already strapped. We have flexibility. That's why we have this silicone hose. Hopefully that's gonna be strong enough for the 700 horsepower. I mean 500. I mean 700. Why not 1,000? I mean, we wanna get pretty close. You know what I mean? Yeah. Then boom 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 boom. This is, yeah. So we got everything buttoned up and ready to fly like a butterfly. I hope you guys are ready. This is gonna be a struggle. Let's do it. I think it was on the bottom, something like that maybe. Hope it's on the bottom. Okay. Let's go. And another one. Cause I'm scared. Almost there, guys. Now we need to cut the zip ties. Almost there. This guy should be that close. Seems like I routed the hose underneath the other hose, and now it's a spaghetti, and I don't know if I'm able to get it out in the bottom. Maybe if I remove the fan, that might really help. Can, because the radiator is attached to the fan. This is like a maze. It's like German engineering on square. If someone needs to work on this car later on, just remember, just remove the entire front. Don't even try. Like, I'm not kidding. There's so much hoses here. Maybe if I just went and bought a couple new hoses and reroute this entire water pump. Technically, if you think about it, you can easily do that. Just reroute all of those hoses up there somewhere where it's more accessible, and then just reroute all the hoses back. all of this space here will be empty, you know, not gonna be used. But I'm gonna try to be as much as we can, as original as we can be. So the little hose is connected. Now the big bad boy is connected. Little hose is connected. Big bad boy coming on this side. Oh, the one on the bottom. The one on the bottom. Now this guy coming over here. On 10. I'm gonna show you guys because this is like legitimately unreal. Like everything is so tight, crazy tight. But when you're stupid like me, that's what you get. Yeah, I think everything is tight except that little holes on the bottom. And of course, fan. You guys can see like they didn't give you slack at all. Like, I don't understand that. I don't understand why. I think this is here. At some point we're gonna find out. It's long, it's short, if this goes down to the lights. I need to definitely either get the car up or either get my luck too again. Oh yeah. Hope you guys hear that. That was the sound of the money. Let's see if we can get this water in without dripping. A little bit too fast. Okay, so now we're gonna get the car to the first accessory position so we can get ignition, so we can get the pump to kick in and start running. Anything? Okay, yes, we can hear the pump. The car is telling me the headlights are not there, obviously. I don't understand. We need to unplug the fan, maybe? I knew it! I was missing something. So when you unplug the fan, the car is thinking the fan is broken or something, so automatically keeps the pump running. That's my guess. But hey, it's working. So I'm pretty sure just need to loosen this guy and that should be it. It's getting there. Okay guys, I'm gonna keep the pump running for a little bit. Then we'll come back in a second. Okay guys, kind of cleaned it up, kind of buttoned up the stuff, connected. This is, you'll be okay, I believe. Map sensor up there is connected, this is connected, the bottom is connected, it's tight, this is connected. Everything seems to be connected, you know, of my understanding. So I think it's time to start the car and see what we're dealing with. Let's do it. You guys ready? It's kind of late. I kind of don't want to really do it, but I don't really have a choice. So I guess let's see. Cold start. I think it's purring. Okay, seems like we need some hydraulic fluid. Woo. I think we got it, guys. I don't know. Man, hump. Ooh. I don't know, bro. Seems okay. Seems okay. And the crazy thing is no check engine light. You guys can see. Okay, this is straight. So you guys definitely see right there. No check engine light. The airbag should be gone. If I clip my air back, I guess we should try that. So if I put my seatbelt right now, boom, and oh yeah, a little bit of a gas. Whoa. Okay, you guys know what's gonna be the next thing that we're gonna do. We're gonna smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next video. And don't forget, if I can do it, you guys can do it. Ciao.